Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is go to app.roho.ai. Again, app.roho.ai. From here, we're going to log into our account. Let's press login. Alright, so now we have to add two custom menu links. To do this, we're just going to copy this first one. This is going to be our agency link. And we're going to go back to Go High Level. So go back, switch the tab to, and from here, from the agency dashboard on High Level, we're going to click Settings. Now you'll see another sidebar and click Custom Menu Link. So click Custom Menu Link. From here, we're going to press Create New. And since this is the agency link or the admin link, I'm going to put a settings icon. You can put whatever icon you'd like. I'm going to name this one ROHO admin. Now paste that link that we had before from app.roho.ai, show link on agency sidebar, and leave everything else the same. Alright, press save. Now we have to add our other menu link, which will be for the location or the sub accounts. Let's go back to app.roho.ai. Now we're going to copy this entire link, including the brackets, for the location link. So copy that. Alright, now go back to your high level again and create a new custom menu link. Again, the icon and the name do not matter, but just make sure that you paste the URL in exactly how it was on, and you can switch off all accounts. Maybe you only want to show it to some accounts, right? You can pick and choose, but I'm just going to leave it on and then leave everything else the same. So again, press save. Now we have our custom menu link set up. So from here, we're just going to press go back, and if we scroll down here on the side, you'll see that our agency custom menu link is here. So to continue this setup, we're just going to click this. Alright, so you'll see it's pretty much the same as the app.roho.ai, but now it's embedded on your high level, making it a lot easier to set up. So we've already added our custom menu links, so let's press next step. Now the next step here is to add your agency API key. Okay, so to get this, you're going to go to settings again, agency settings on high level. So under agency settings, you need to click company. So under agency settings, you're going to scroll down until you see API keys. Click API keys, and we need an agency API key. So either create a new one or copy one if you already have one. Alright. Once we have that, go back to the ROHO admin custom menu link and paste that into the field. Press next step. Now this is going to perform an API call to our AWS Lambda functions, the Python functions, just to test and make sure that your API key is valid. If it is, it'll give you a success message. Alright, now the next step is to load the snapshot. So the snapshot is essentially the template for the sub account that has all the automations you need to let ROHO run on a sub account. So just click this. Again, just open it in a new tab, copy and paste that link, and press yes, import now. Sometimes if you're not logged into app.gohighlevel on your browser, it will bring up a different page that has a video and something else, but if it brings that page up, just press member login. There will be a button that says member login in the top right. So, alright, so you see that we've successfully imported it. Now let's go back to our checklist, our agency custom menu link. So press next step, and again this is making an API call with Python to make sure that that snapshot is in your agency. Alright, the next step is to load this into a sub account or your sub accounts. So using the agency API key and Python, we can actually load snapshots with through code. So pressing this button will load the snapshot, right? Have all your sub accounts here. I'm going to load it into this sub account. So I'm just going to press load snapshot, and it will load that into the sub account. Awesome. Now if we go and just check that sub account, right? So I'm inside of the other sub account now in another tab. If we go to automations, you can see that our workflows have been added. Okay. Alright, a few more steps. So go back to your agency custom menu link, the ROHO admin link, and press next step. Now we have to add the marketplace app, which is something that I've developed that allows you guys to use custom workflow actions. So you can actually have custom coded by me workflow actions in your automations, which is super useful and makes ROHO super easy to use. So it will bring up a page like this. We'll say AI tools. And you can either install it on your whole agency or just choose a sub account. I'm just going to do my whole agency again. Alright, so press proceed. And it will bring you to this purple screen. That means it was successful, and you'll see the OAuth code right there. Alright, so now let's go back and press next step. All of the agency stuff has been set up. Now you can start setting up ROHO in your sub account. Alright.